How's everyone and welcome. It's Colleen here and I have a Temu haul for you today. It's a variety of things. So I am going to just jump right in and show you what I got. So the first thing I wanted to show you is I got this bag and it has turtles on it, and it's like a fairly good size bag. And isn't that a beautiful? It's just really, really nice. And I got it for my granddaughter because she's all about the sea and fish and turtles. She loves turtles. So I seen this and I just had to get it for her. And then I got her one other thing with the same kind of turtles as those ones. And it is a beach towel. And it's a beautiful size. And the design on it is gorgeous. It's got the starfish on it, but it's got the turtles, and they are the same turtles as the bag. So isn't that cute? So she can use that for her swimming bag if she so chose to. But yeah, I seen this design and I've bought a few things. Whoop, sorry, I hit the camera there. But I had gotten a few things for her because of these turtles, and very well priced. And this is a nice quality. This towel is very nice quality. I'm quite impressed with the quality of it. So I got those, and I'll let you know at this point. I don't give out prices because this is a worldwide company, and I say this in every video, and it is so every country the prices are going to be different because every country is different, right? But they are very, very competitive for sure, and I do like this company. And I will put all the links to these things at the bottom, below in the description box below, so that you can go and check out anything that you may find that you like. So I also got these T-pins. I had gotten some before, but when I got them, I didn't realize they were a little short. I'll still use them for certain projects, but I had gotten these for when I want to block crochet or knitting or any of those types of projects, and you need to steam them or block them. These are great to use for that reason. So these are what these T-pins look like. So you could use them for other things, I'm sure, but that's what I got them for. So I was pleased with those. Okay, I'm going to show you the thing that I was absolutely not pleased with at all. And it was a dress that I had gotten. It was really cute dress. Like, this is the bottom of it. And then the waistline had these cute buttons coming down the side, which tapered in the look of your waist. And then it had these cute arms on it with the nice cuff at the bottom. Sleeves. But the quality of the material they used to make this dress, it's horrible. It's kind of like a t-shirt quality, but worse than a t-shirt. It's like very low quality material, whatever they used. So that was really, really disappointing, because this is, you know, a more on the fancy side dress, but I certainly will not be wearing it. But anyway, this is the first clothing item I have gotten that I was completely disappointed in. And it fit and all of that. It was just the material they used. So I do not recommend this dress at all. I think you would be terribly disappointed. So I am not even going to link this below, actually. Okay. So we'll move on from that. And then I got a couple of pieces of jewelry. So the first is this lovely set. It's a set. It has the necklace and earrings. I don't tend to wear earrings anymore, but again, my granddaughter, she's gotten her ears pierced and she loves to wear earrings. So when I really like a set, I keep the necklace and I'll just give her the earrings. But isn't that nice? It's very textured too, and that's going to go with a lot of outfits. So I was pleased with those. And then the other piece of jewelry I got was this here necklace. It has, this is leather, not suede. So that's, and it's really quite nice. Or I'm not sure if it is actually leather or just a, you know, a fake leather, but it's a really nice. And it's a bit shiny. And then this is the pendant, and this is made out of wood, and I really like that color of green. And then we have this leaf, and it's metal, but it's like an antique bronze type of metal, so none of this will tarnish at all. So it's going to last really, really well, and I think I'm going to wear it quite a bit because it's going to go with many different outfits. So I was happy to get that, and especially for the price. Like, this is like maybe a couple dollars or under. It's not very high, Canadian dollars, that is. Okay, and then what do I want to show you? Oh, I will show you the different papers I got. So I got this set, and it looks similar to another set I got, but it is different images. It's got that watercolor look to it, and it's a 16 piece. So I'm just going to flip through it and show you what the papers look like. Like, they're very vibrant. Aren't they pretty? And then there's this one. There's just so much that you could do with these. And this one. And this one. And this one. And it looks like, as I'm going along, they are all different. I don't seem to be getting any repeats, which is great. There's this one. This one. Gonna make all kinds of ephemera with this. And with this paper, you could make small journals too, which would be great. This one. This one. Or notebooks. This one. So they're all slightly different, for sure here. Some of them are similar, but they are different. And this one, this one, this one, and that is the last one. So I'm pleased with those. And then I got this set, and this set, let's see how many are in here. This is also a 16 piece. And it's looking like it's similar. It's kind of watercolory. So there's this one. I really do like that path. And then there's this one. And this one. And these are all matte. And they're a little more than a copy paper, but they're not a cardstock. But I like the matte because I prefer matte over glossy. And this one. And then there's this one. And yeah, that's different. So I'm thinking these are all slightly different too. Yep. The colors will be different. The design, bigger, smaller, more flowers. So there's this one. Oh, I like that one too. That's a nice scene of a meadow. It reminds me of a meadow of flowers. And this one, this one, this one, this one. There's another one behind here. Then there's this one. So they're all basically flowers, right? But they're beautiful. And they're just going to have so many uses to build on, right? Build on those papers. And then I got one more paper, and this has a similar look too, and it is also a 16 piece. So I must have looked at one of them and then others came up and I just really liked them. So I ordered all 3 of them. Okay, and so there's this one. I really like the white. And then this one. This one. So all these papers are similar, but, you know, different. Each one is a bit different. This one. Then this one. And this one. I like the stems, the longer stems in this set. And this one. And this one. And then this one. The pink here. Like, they are very well done papers. All the stems. I like that. The butterflies. And then the blue in the sky. I like that. That's the same as this one. The blues on the side are very nice. And then we've got this one that looks similar, but it's not the same. The flowers are different. And more purples on this one. And then this one. So, I'm pleased with all 3 of these sets of paper, for sure. So I got that. And then I got this piece of fabric. And I think it's a 20 by 20 inch. And it's really nice. And it's different than what I've gotten in the past because it's like it's 3D. Right? The flowers are popping out of the fabric is what they are doing. So, yeah, it's not quite, it's probably 18 by 20. But isn't that pretty? It just is beautiful. I think that would make a really nice cover for a journal, for sure. So I'm really am glad I got that. And then I think the last things I got was some stamps. So this is a bit smaller haul. But like I said, I really was pleased with all of it except for that dress. Okay, so I'm going to show you these stamps. So I wonder if I should get the paper to put under this. Well, that just makes it darker. Okay, I did stamp them out so that you can see what they look like. So I got this background stamp with the flowers and the bird here. So this is how it stamps out, which is really pretty. What you can do with those flowers, like watercolor, or use your pencils on it, etc. I really do like it, and I like it. I think I want to do a session with you guys and make some postcards. And would this not make a beautiful front to a postcard? That's what I thought of when I seen it. So I like that. It's really nice. And then the next one I got was bugs. But they are so nice. Like, look at that. A botanical journal, you know, those types of journals, nature journals. Like, these bugs are going to be wonderful. I want to make some pages with these for sure. And then this is how they stamp out. And it does have like postage, love, hello, best wishes. Always, I'm not wearing my glasses. I always believe that something wonderful is about to happen. Isn't that a nice saying? So that's how those stamp out, and I was pleased with those. And then the last one, and the last thing I got in this haul was this stamp. They're quite large, but oh, they're just beautiful flowers. Like, just calls for watercolors and such, right? And this is how they stamp out. Like, collaging with these is going to be wonderful. Or you could make smaller tags, or just small tags with, and just have the image itself. Oh, I thought it was very, very nice. And again, all these stamps were incredibly reasonable. They were all under $2.50 and less for them. So it was worth it. Anyway, so that's all I have for you today, guys, with this haul. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It truly does help my channel to grow. And press the notification, and you're sure not to miss a video. And I want you all to have a lovely, lovely day. And a crafty kind of day. And we will see and talk to you soon. Bye for now.